Many aspiring data professionals dive straight into Python, SQL, and AI courses without first clarifying their direction. They learn tools but still feel lost. I'm Olamide, and today I want to explain why clarity, knowing why you're learning, and where you're going must come first before any new skill. Without direction, learning becomes chaotic. Jumping from tool to tool doesn't make you versatile. It makes you scattered. For most people, it's not a lack of talent that slows progress. It's the absence of a clear roadmap. When you move fast without clarity, you don't gain momentum. You create noise. Before asking what tool to learn next, pause and ask a better question. What problem do I want to solve? And for whom? You may not be failing as a data professional. You may simply be solving the wrong problem. Start by identifying your natural strengths and interests. Are you deeply curious? Always asking why and how? Or do you enjoy breaking complex systems into structured steps? The first often aligns with roles like data analyst or data scientist. The second fits data engineering or business intelligence. Do you enjoy explaining insights and influencing decisions? Or do you prefer building pipelines, systems, and infrastructure? This kind of reflection matters more than trend chasing. Skill alignment always beats hype. Choose a problem space or industry that genuinely excites you. Marketing growth, healthcare, finance, operations, and let the skills follow the problem. Here's a simple guide. If visualization and storytelling excites you, focus on analytics and BI. Tools like Excel, SQL, Power BI, or Tableau. If databases, pipelines, and structure excite you, focus on data engineering, SQL, Python, and ETL tools. If algorithms and prediction fascinate you, focus on AI, machine learning, math foundations, Python, and ML libraries. Each path has its own core tools. You don't need all of them. I learned this in a very interesting way. Early in my career, I spent months trying to learn the different tools that applied in the analytics space. The breakthrough came when I realized I enjoyed solving business problems and explaining insights more than building complex models. That clarity changed everything. I refocused my learning, my work, and eventually my leadership in analytics. Here are the key takeaways. Discover what excites you. Assess your core strengths. Decide where you want to be in a few years. And then it's very simple. Plan backwards. Then learn deliberately, one aligned skill at a time. Clarity doesn't lock you in forever. It gives you effort, it gives your effort direction. And with direction, every new skill finally starts to count. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.